Do you want to learn English? Yes, I do. Let's go to start. Yes, of course. Do you speak English? No, I don't. No, I don't. Do you study books? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you get up at 9 o'clock? No, I don't. Do you study in class 5th? Yes, I do. Do you study with your brother? No, I don't. No, I don't. Do you go to private school? No, I don't. Do you have six family members? No, I don't. Do you listen to the story? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you go to school by bus? No, I don't. Do you cook food? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you play football? Yes, I do. Do you play volleyball? No, I don't. No, I don't. Do you like chicken? No, I don't. Do you drink alcohol? No, I don't. Do you drink tea? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you eat biryani? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you watch TV? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Thank you for your time. You are welcome. Do you understand? Yes, I do. Do you have any question? No, I don't. Thank you so much.